In today's video, I'm going to teach you Microsoft Access tutorial, how to build your database from an entity relationship diagram. We'll start right inside Microsoft Access. Open the app and choose Blank Desktop Database. This gives you a clean slate tailored for a local, file-based database. Before you dive in, name your database file and choose a save location you'll remember. Pick a meaningful name that reflects the project, then click Create to open your new database. Next, head to the Create tab and select Table Design. This is where you turn each entity from your ERD into a real table. Add fields that match the attributes in your diagram and choose appropriate data types for each one. Now set a primary key for the table. The primary key uniquely identifies each record. An auto number field is often a simple, reliable choice. When you're done, save the table with a clear, descriptive name that matches the entity, then close the design view. Repeat that design process for every entity in your ERD. Consistency is your friend here. Keep field names clear and data types aligned across tables, especially for keys. If your ERD includes many-to-many relationships, you'll typically have a junction table listed as its own entity. Create that as well, following the same pattern. With your tables in place, go to the Database Tools tab and click Relationships. In the Show Table dialog, add all the tables you just created to the Relationships window, then close the dialog. Arrange them so your one-side tables are easy to see beside your many-side tables. To build each relationship, click and drag the primary key from the one table onto the matching foreign key in the many table. Access opens the Edit Relationships dialog. Carefully verify that the fields you're linking are the correct pair and share compatible data types. Now check Enforce Referential Integrity. This protects your data by preventing orphaned records and ensuring that foreign keys always point to valid primary keys. When everything looks right, click Create. You'll see a relationship line appear, marked with a 1 on the one side and an infinity symbol on the many side. That visual should mirror the cardinality in your ERD. Repeat the linking process for all relationships in your diagram. When you're finished, save the relationship layout. This preserves the arrangement and the lines so you can quickly understand and maintain your design later. And that's it. You've turned an ERD into a working Access database with properly defined tables and enforced relationships that keep your data clean and consistent.